Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oh man, what's up, y'all? What's going on? Oh, just doing a little bit of trading, a little bit of trading on the Nasdaq. Actually, I'm trading gold and NQ. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What's up? I post for fun. What's up, my friend? For some reason, my computer isn't allowing my OBS studio to work properly, so I can't live stream off my computer right now. But I'm still trading. I'm still in the game. I'm in what, two positions on gold long and one position on NQ long. What is this? At least 10 shot in what? In Michigan church shooting. Wow. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. What's wrong with this world? I know what's wrong with the world. The world is evil. What you got going on? What's going on with you? I wish I could stream on my damn computer. I don't know why. I guess I gotta take it apart and see if my motherboard might be uh I don't know, might be dusty. My graphics card might be not operating properly. I have no idea. Well, it can't be the graphics card because if my graphics card was messed up, then I wouldn't have um I wouldn't have a picture. Can I play Steal a Brain Rot with you? What's up, dope? Cool beard? Nah, I trimmed it like 4 days ago. So it was out here and down to here. So it's kind of like this type of circumference. So I kind of just uh, made it nicer, I guess. Because my wife was complaining. Oh, thank you. I post. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you very much, my friend. Oh, I'm down on gold, $300, $380. Damn. It's going to go back up. I got a good feeling about gold being in a long position. I might add one. I might dollar cost average my gold. Dope. What's up, buddy? Do you have a beard too? I don't know if y'all can see my screen. I normally I stream on my computer, but my computer's all jacked up. I don't know why. So I'm down 240 on gold, and I'm up 3 1/4 on NQ right now. And then, so this is my take profit account, and then I traded this account here, one of my PA Apex accounts, and I got 1185 when the market opened earlier at 5 p.m. So I have one trade for 1,200 winners, no losers. It was just one play. So I did that on my PA, and then I have another eval. I'm up. This is day number 1 on this eval, and I'm up 2,082 on the day. So yeah, I'm up a little bit on the eval. I'm up a little bit on my funded account, and then I'm fighting with my take profit account right now. You're feeling bad. What's up, Kiwa? No, you don't got to donate to me, man. You don't have to donate. I appreciate it, though. If you want to, you can, but I don't. That's not why I stream. Kiwa, what's up, man? What's going on? Oh, gold's back up. Oh, no. I'm looking at the micro NASDAQ. My bad. I'm tripping. But gold's back up from where it was a couple minutes ago. Oh, there goes my computer. It's acting like it wants to switch pages, but then it stops, and then it goes. So it may be a motherboard issue. What do you think? What do y'all think? That's probably a motherboard issue, if I had to take a guess. I'm gonna donate 100. No, don't do that. You don't gotta donate. Please don't. You're very generous. Put up. All right, come on, NASDAQ. Push, baby. Dude, NASDAQ is pushing tonight. Look at that, I'm up 460 already. Let's see. Let's see if I turn this thing around. My entry level on NQ is, I don't know if y'all can see that, 24,762, and the price of it right now is 785. So I'm up a little over 20 points on the NASDAQ. And now I'm up on gold 230, guys. I was down 400 on gold. Now I'm up 230. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about. I post for fun. No, man, don't do it. If you want to, that's up to you, but trust me. If you don't do it, my friend. I'm doing a fast. I'm doing a water fast. And I started at midnight last night, so it is going on 17 hours. 17 hours I've been fasting. So I've just been drinking the mineral water, Mountain Valley mineral water, and I do like a pinch of Celtic sea salt under my tongue for the electrolytes. Plus this has electrolytes in it as well. So I'm shooting for 3 days, 3-day fast. Do you play Steal a Brain Rot? No, what is that? What is that? Is that like a multiplayer game on PC? I don't play any games no more. I used to play PUBG on PC and PlayStation. I used to play Call of Duty on PlayStation before they took Verdansk off. Oh, it's a game on Roblox? No. I've never played Roblox. Just Call of Duty and PUBG is what I used to play, but I haven't played a game in over shoot. It's been well over a year and a half, maybe even 2 years.
Filled.
Oh, what happened? Oh, my gold got filled. Nice. So I'm out of my gold position, which is cool. But is gold going to keep pushing up? Have I played Fortnite? I've tried. I couldn't get into it. It's too fake. It's too fake for me. Like, I like realistic games. I like person shooters and stuff like that.
Order filled.
My son, well, my stepson, he's 15. He plays Roblox. I don't think he plays too much anymore, but I know he used to.
Order cancelled.
Nice. I just snagged another 250 on gold. Nice. Maybe I should just stay in with gold. Gold's pumping. Gold is pumping. I might stay in with gold. Screw it.
Order filled.
See how high I can get up there with gold. Come on, gold. Pump it, pump it. Nice. Up another 250, 350 on gold.
Stop filled.
All right. Well, just took 3 of them.
Order filled.
That's all right. It's like another $120 on gold. Damn, gold is ripping. Wow. That's crazy. Gold's on a push. No, I don't play Tung Shi. Balls. No, I don't play any games no more, my friend. I don't have time. I do not play any games, my friend. Balls, 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 balls.
Order filled.
What? You play sports? I played baseball in high school. I played shortstop and then left field.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Nice. Give me that. Give me that money, gold. You play basketball? Nice, nice. Are you good? I'm assuming you're good. Your brother's LeBron James? Oh, cool. Very cool, man. All right.
Order filled.
I'm exiting that position. I'm good. I'm good for the night. I'm up 300 on my take profit. I'm up 11. Let me see. Hold on. I'm up 1184 on my Apex funded account, and then I have another $150,000 Apex account. I'm up 2,000 on that one. Your brother LeBron James died? No, I'm pretty sure LeBron James is still alive. Man, gold is killing it, y'all. Oh, I gotta take my dog outside to go pee. Go take a walk to take my doggy outside. Come on, Zeus. Let's go outside and go pee. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Go pee. Brrr. 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 Yo. You gonna pee or what? You gonna pee pee? There you go. Take a pee. You done? You gotta poo? No? You ain't gotta poo? Alright. Guess he's done. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. I might hop back in a gold position. Gold is kicking. Let's see. I want to learn. I don't know if I can. So maybe you might know. I don't know. I don't know too much about phones, honestly. I wonder if I can green screen my background and put the charts up on the trading charts on my cell phone, but I don't know how to work this thing. It's a S25, an Android S25. NQ's pushing up too. Gold's pushing and NASDAQ is pushing. Let's see. Wow. I might get back in with a gold position. That's crazy how massive gold's going up. But it might be due for a pullback though, honestly. I don't know. Gold might be ready for a pullback. Mav, what up? Shalom, my brother. Fatah, Hamedi, Habibi. Peace be with you. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. How you doing tonight? I got a couple trades in tonight, Mav. Unfortunately, my computer isn't letting me run my OBS studio so I can stream, like I normally do on my computer. But I've been trading, so I could turn my picture around. Yes. Well, so this is flat. This is the flat. This isn't sparkling Mountain Valley, but still it's still mineral water. They actually didn't have. I prefer the sparkling Mountain Valley, and they didn't have Pellegrino, so I couldn't get Pellegrino because they didn't have it, and all they had was the flat Mountain Valley. But it's still good. So gold is pushing up, y'all. Look at this. Gold is freaking pushing. This was Friday's high right here, so I think that's where it's going to go to. And then NQ made a high, and then made a double top there. So I traded these accounts earlier. This is one of my new Apex evals here. I got 2,000 on it earlier. And then my PA account, there's a new PA account as well. I got 1184 on it earlier when the market opened, just with one play. I did one position. Well, I did one play with five full NQs. So number of trades, 10 contracts, because it was 5 buys and 5 sells. No losers. So that was a good play. First play on this funded Apex account. And then I fought with this eval pretty heavily. I'm done trading it now because I'm up 2,000 on this one. So you can see how much I fought with it, right? 15 winning trades for 51.51. And then 4 losing trades for 27.80. But still puts me at a 78%. Fatah, normally I stream on my PC and I use OBS Studios, and that's how I stream my trading. But OBS on my computer isn't working properly right now. It's making my computer run slow and making the screens stop and go. So I'm not able to stream on my PC right now. I'm going to have to open it up and see what's going on. Robert from Texas. What's up, Bala? Mashallah. Oh, NQ is pushing. NQ is pushing. I want to try to make a few more dollars on this take profit account. So is it possible to be on the phone while streaming? You mean like a cell phone call? So no, if you have a phone call and you're streaming on your phone, it's going to pause or freeze. I believe it's going to freeze your live stream.
Order filled.
All right. I'm in with 5 golds. Let's see what happens. I'm down 200 right now. Down 100. Let me bring my stop loss up a little bit. Bring my take profit down some. This might have not have been a good spot to get into a long. Well, I'm down 450 now. I'm going to let it ride up because gold's pushing pretty strong right now, y'all. Yeah, so I think you could like look at pictures and stuff when you're streaming on your phone. Did you know when you fart, you smell it goes back in your body? No, I didn't know that. I surely didn't know that, buddy. Now I do. All right, so I got into the gold trade at the worst time. I should have shorted it. Look, I'm down 600 on it. Look. Down 650. Down 600. It might pop back up. We'll see. No. I'm going to exit this gold trade. No, maybe not. Hold on. Let me lower my TP down here. That way I can quickly exit this position. Oh, look at gold. No way, bro. Look at that. Wow. Gold is freaking smoking it. Come on. Go, go, go. So I'm trading gold, Fatah.
Order filled.
Boom. Look at that. Filled 2 orders of the 5. I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna exit.
Order filled.
I'm up. I'm up. I'm up 128 right now. I think gold might take another dive down low. I think gold's gonna breathe. So I'm trading gold futures. Do I have a company? I do have a company, but I don't utilize it. I still have an operating LLC. I still kind of wash money through it to make the government think it's still an active company, which it is in a sense. The best thing is just to make the gold bigger. Yeah. NASDAQ's pushing. NASDAQ's pushing its butt off. You see that stuff, Mav? NASDAQ is smoking it, y'all. I wouldn't get into a long position right here because we're at the high of the night. So it may get a little bit of a pullback. I don't want to be caught in a long position with the NQ at the price of 24,794. Make the gold bigger. Yep. Gold, man, gold's doing its thing tonight. I'm gonna leave it alone since I'm up. I'm gonna wait for the pullback on gold and the NQ before I hop back into another position. Nick, what up? It's good. Been drinking my mineral water. Mineral water with a little bit of Celtic salt under the tongue. Yes, sir. Ooh, steak and potatoes. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's all good. I'm gonna go on the carnivore diet after I finish this 3-day fast and just eat strictly steaks, bacon, lean ground meat. There's a butcher not too far from where I live, and I'm gonna get a good ground meat. Hey Fatah, what's up, buddy? Can you just do something to hack the thing? What do you mean? To hack what? The stock market? Good one. Have you thought about hair transplant? No. Believe it or not, so I'll be 38 in November. I've been having this, I guess what you call it, like a widow's peak or something like that. This has been the exact same since I was in high school. So I guess my hair kind of started off right here. But when I was 16, 17, this has happened when I was 16. So what's that, 22 years? It's been like this for 22 years. It hasn't receded anymore. Like it's been this back since I was in high school. So I'm not worried about it. And actually I shave anyway. I shave it bald. If I had a choice, I would choose to just be bald for the rest of my life, honestly. Oh, so no, you can't hack gold. Unfortunately, you can't. The only safe route with gold is actually purchasing physical gold. That would be the hack, you know what I'm saying? But what I'm doing here is trading, I'm speculating the price, right? So you speculate whether it's gonna go up or go down within a certain amount of time, which is why they call it futures. So right now, this is gold, right? I can give you a better view of it if I just turn my damn phone around, right? So basically, if I think gold's gonna go higher, I just open up a long position, which is I have to buy the market. And if I think gold's gonna fall, I'll just short it and I'll sell market. But I'm not going to short tonight. If anything, I'm going to wait for a slight of a pullback to about this high here. So pullback to around the price of, I don't know, 3,800.01. And then I'll get back in long because this line right here is Friday's high of the day. So I believe it's going to come back to Friday's high. So I want the pullback to here. I'm going to get in long here and ride it up, basically. NQ's kind of doing the same thing. NQ's pushing higher. This is the NASDAQ. So this is the first 15 minutes, which is called Orb, open and range breakout. And you can see we just kind of blew all the way past up it. So I'm kind of not going to touch that right now because it is high. So I'm going to wait for a pullback and then hop back into a long position. So as of right now, I'm going to stay in a flat position, meaning I'm not going to be in any position, a short or a long. Gold's still pushing the high of the night, y'all. That's insane.
Order filled.
I'm going to short gold and get the pullback. If it pulls back, I hope it pulls back because I just hopped in a short position on gold. I'm currently down 400 on gold, y'all. Down 500 on gold. Down 400 on gold. Down 350. I'm down 200 on gold. Come on, let's get a pullback, gold. Here we go, here we go. Down 50. Push, push, push down. I know you can't see it, but I'm in a gold short right now. Oh no, it's pushing up a little bit. Down 450. Come on, gold. Push down. Let's get a slight pullback. Let's get that pullback on gold. It's pushing. Why did I get into a short? The candle was acting like it was going to pull back. That's why I got into a short. It's pulling back a little bit. I'm down 600 on gold. Come on, gold, fall. I need a pullback here. I need a pullback right here. Oh, dude, gold is pushing higher. I can't believe it. Well, I can because it's in a strong market right now. It's going to pull back. It's got no choice to give a pullback. Oh my God. I'm down 900 on gold. I'm down 1,000 on gold.
Order cancelled.
I just got stopped out at $1,000 on gold. 1,100, I'm sorry.
Order filled.
Oh my word. Gold's cooking it right now. There we go. Come on, pull back. Gold, pull back, baby. There we go. Ooh. I screwed up. I was up. Now I'm down. No, it's all right. I'm going to get it back. I'm going to get it back. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I'm only down 800 so far. I was down 1,100, but I got a little bit of it back. Come on. Let's get that pullback on you, gold. I don't even want to look at it. I'm just gonna wait to hear my stop loss or my take profit get taken. I'm either going to make 3 grand or I'm going to lose it all. I'll lose 700. I'm using Tradeabate, Rick. What's up, my friend? What's up, Rick? I'm using Tradeabate. What do you use? So I'm going to short on gold again at 3808.4, and I have a TP at 3805.4. Turn it around so if y'all can see it. So I'm currently up 600 on gold. 700. I'm not in any NASDAQ right now, just gold. So here's my entry, 3808.4. And my TP is 3805.4. I'm up 700 on gold, 650. You don't know where to start? As in terms of opening up a brokerage? The easiest one out there right now that I believe is Tradeabate. So what you would do is just open you up a Tradeabate account and then do a wire transfer from your bank to the Tradeabate. And then, or you can do, I believe, an ACH transfer as well from your bank to Tradeabate. I'm still up 500 on my short. It went down a little bit, but it came back. It's acting like it wants to push back up, which I think it's going to. Just because we're really, the gold's acting bullish right now. But I think it needs a pullback. I'm pretty sure it's going to pull back at least or more past my take profit. So we'll see. I'm up 350 right now on gold. Come on, gold, fall. I might switch my position now. I'm gonna wait to get out at like plus $300-400, and then enter into a long on gold. Still up 150 on gold. Come on. Fall, fall. Are you in the markets at all, Rick? Are you day trading in like stocks or futures or options at all? Gold's acting weird right now. Super weird. I think it's time to switch into a long. Yeah.
Order cancelled.
I'm getting long.
Order filled.
I'm going long on gold. It's starting to push it. It's starting to push up again, so. Come on, gold. I'm down 100, down 50. I'm about to be in the green. I'm in the green 50 on gold. I'm in the green 150. Gold is strong tonight. Woo. Nice push up on gold. It just pushed the high of the night. Oh, your phone died? Yeah. So you doing any trading, Rick? Options, stocks? Or are you just getting into it? So in order to keep your trader base active, you have subscriptions. If you have a personal account, you're going to pay anywhere between $12 for level 1 data, and then it goes up from there, $24 a month for level 2 data. Or you can trade with prop firms where you pay this company, their proprietary trading firm, and they lend you money to trade with their money. You can also do it that way. And then they take a percentage of your earnings, right? Most of them take 20% of your earnings. So if you cash out $10,000, they're going to take $2,000 off the top. And you're stuck with $8,000. Some firms do 10. Okay, you paper trade on TradingView? Yeah. I use TradingView just for certain indicators, but I don't trade on TradingView. I trade specifically on TraderBait. So no, prop firms, you're using their money. So let's say if you open up an account with, let's say, Take Profit Trader, because that's the best one out there right now. You're going to pay right now for their cheapest accounts about $90. So you're going to get an account for $25,000 in the account. You have to pass their evaluation, which is 5 days. You have to make $1,500 across the 5 days or longer. You could take 10 if you want. And then once you pass it, you get into a funded account. I'm up 700 on gold. Then you get into a funded account, and with Take Profit, if you make $3,000 the very first day, the next morning you can withdraw 1,500 of it, because they always want you to keep a buffer in there, and you can't touch the buffer. For that specific account, the buffer's 1,500. Dude, I'm up 1,100 on gold. Well, I was up 1,100. I'm only up 1,000. GCZ5 is a contract for gold right now. Take it? No, well, my TP is a little bit higher, so it's going to hit my full TP. It's going to hit my full TP, watch. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. I'm up 1,200, 1,250.
Order filled.
Let's go. Dude, gold is killing it, Mav. It's going to Friday's high, I told y'all. So that right there, that gold trade I just made. Oh, hold on, where's my gold? There it is. Scroll up so I can see it. No, not right there, right here. I made $1,500 on gold just now. Ooh, I'm done for the night, needless to say. That is a killer move. So gold is going to go to 38.14, which was Friday's high. It's almost there. Trader bait. NQ's at the all-time high of the night as well. NQ's pushing high of night. Oh, NQ just popped it like 6 points. I'm staying away from it. I'm done. I'm done for the night. I am done for the night. I do not need to trade any more accounts tonight. So I'm up 1,500 on 2 take profit accounts because I was copy trading 2 accounts just now. And then I'm up 11. Hold on. I'm up 1184 on my Apex account. And then I'm up another 2,000 on another Apex evaluation. So let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did almost $6,000 tonight between all the accounts. Market is strong right now. Oh. So the gold trade was on Take Profit Trader. That's the best prop firm out there. Yes, it was Take Profit Trader. And that was on a $50,000 account. Now the smallest account Take Profit is a $25,000 account. Their second smallest is a $50,000 account. That's the ones that I have. Because you can trade up to six full positions on the $50,000 account. The small account, you can only trade up to 3, which isn't... All right, we just hit Friday's high, y'all, on gold. So we're going to look for a pullback. I'm going to short here.
Order filled.
I'm going to short here. Try to make another 200-300, and then be done with it. Here we go. Starting to get a little bit of a pullback. Come on, gold, pull back. Go, go, go. Ooh, it almost hit my TP. Come on, just 0.5. 50 cents I needed to go down. Of course, it's going to be stubborn. Do I have any referral links? Holy sh... Gold just skyrocketed, bro. I'm down 450 on gold. I shouldn't have got into a short. No, I don't have any referral links. I don't do that. But if you go to Take Profit Trader, their best link right now, it's no fee 40 in all caps. I'll write it on here. Hold on. No fee 40. That's the code you want to put in there.
Order filled.
Yes. Made 200 on gold. It got the pullback after that little push up it just did. I'm done. I'm done on the night. So I'm up $1,800 on 2 take profit accounts. So it's 1,800 plus 1,800. What's that? $3,600 I'm up. So I'm gonna request a withdrawal tomorrow. Yeah, I'll request some money tomorrow. Yeah, so Take Profit Trader, use that code. It's going to give you 40% off of any evaluation size. And then when it's time to activate your actual funded account, you won't have to pay an activation fee. Because normally there's an activation fee, and typically for Take Profit Trader, it's like $145 or it's $140. So you're saving money on the price of the eval, plus you're saving the $140 on the activation fee. Oh, Rick, you ain't had to do that, my friend. I appreciate it, man. There's no need to send any super chats or nothing. But thank you. Yeah, I used to do I used to do the referral link codes, but it just, I don't know. It's too much to keep up because I was doing them for every prop firm I was trading with. I had one for Apex, for Take Profit, for Elite Trader, and I made some good money. I think when I first started doing the referral codes like 4 years ago, I think 2 months I made like $5,000, but I just stopped doing it for some reason. And then if you go with Apex Trader Funding, the code that I use is START, and that's going to get you 80% off right now. That's just a standard code. I don't think that money goes to anybody, but it might. I'll put that code in a link too. START is for Apex Trader Funding. There we go. Yeah. But the very best prop firm right now, in my eyes, and I think a lot of people would agree with me, is Take Profit Trader, because you can take your payouts every single day of the week if you want to, right? If you make $400 on Wednesday, you can take it out minus their 20%, minus Take Profit's 20%. But if you go with Apex or if you go with Elite Trader, they require you to trade eight days, and then you can request a payout. So Take Profit, it's a no-brainer to use them. I think it's common sense. But I still like Apex. I do like Apex. I hope I get my computer up and running tomorrow. That way I can get back to my regular live stream. Because it sucks y'all can't see. I could turn the phone around, but yup, it isn't gonna be fun. Gold is, dude. If somebody got in gold when it opened up today, you would be up a lot of money. Hit me up on Discord, Rick. Do you have Discord? Or you could hit me up on Facebook. This is my actual name, so if you go on Facebook, you can message me on Facebook. But if you want to do Discord, it's up to you. This is my name on Discord. I'm gonna put it in the chats. Joshua Delbasty _ 19899. Now, I don't know why they gave me that name, 19899, because I was born in 1987. So I don't know why they put 899 on there. I don't know. I'll be 38 in November. But yeah, I wasn't born in 99, trust me. Or hit me up on Facebook, it's up to you. Gold's going back up at that little bitty pullback. Wow. That's crazy. I'm scared to hop in gold. I'm not going to, though. So, I am live streaming on my phone, Rick. So if you try to contact me right now, I don't think it's gonna work because it'll shut the live stream off if I try to talk outside of the live stream. But let me see if I have Discord on my tablet. No, I could put Discord on my computer, and we could text and chat through Discord on my phone if you want to. It's up to you. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. I drank 2 bottles of water. I need to go get it out of my system. Man, gold's pushing back up, y'all. Gold is kicking its butt tonight. Let me turn this around so you can see gold. Look at that. Let me do a full screen on gold. High five. All right. Oh, sorry, guys. So gold's smashing it. Look at that. Here's the low, which is at the price of $37.85.5. And here's the high right now, $38.15. That is $100, not quite $100, but it's up there. That is insane. All right, I'm gonna put Discord on my computer. That way I can chat with Rick. Go to discord.com. I don't want to download, I just want to go to the official website. Log in, open up Discord. No, I don't want Nitro. High five. All right. Rick, is that you? High five on Discord? Ooh, gold's looking enticing. All right, cool. Sweet. You wanna do a call right now? You can hop into my server. Let's see. You can hop into live New York Open, and we can chat. On Discord. So if you go to my name and you go into, I guess, my Discord thing, what I don't know what you call it. You just go into my Discord. There's a thing that says Live New York Open. It's a live video chat. Now you don't have to video me if you want to, but I'm up there. All right, gold's acting like it wants to. I don't know. It's using. Gold's using it's Friday's high. Let me see a link. Let me send you a link. Hold on. How do I get a link? Hold on. I'm gonna invite you. Hold on, invite friends. There we go. I just sent you an invite. Can you hear me? High five. Rick? Do I have you muted? No, I don't have you muted. I have your volume all the way up. I don't know if you're muted on your end, my friend. So I could share my screen anyway. I don't know if you're if you can hear me or not. Your network connection may be causing a decrease in video and audio quality. I don't know. Oh, you can hear me? Okay, cool. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, so this is my Apex account here. This is actually a funded Apex. If you see it up top, it says PA. That's a performance account, Apex. But then if you go here and if it just says Apex, this is an evaluation. So gold's pushing high. This blue line is Friday's high. I'm trying to see if you write me because I can't view the message and the Discord at the same time. So gold's pushing higher. Wow, I should get in. I'm gonna get in with 1 gold.
Order filled.
Let me bring my TP down a little bit. Put my stop loss at the low of this candle here. I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this position. No, should I stay in it? I'm gonna stay in it. Come on, gold. I'm gonna put my TP right above my entry, just so it'll grab it if it goes up. Let's go see what NQ's doing. NQ's looking like it wants to come back down to the opening range breakout. I'm down 250 on gold. Let's see. Let's see if we get a push higher. Come on, gold. Nah, I shouldn't have got in at the high. That was stupid of me. With my stream on my phone, hold on. I'm trying to see where I can talk to you on here. Because I seen you wrote me something, but I don't know where to view it at. You
hear me now?
Oh yeah, I can hear you.
Oh right, man.
Oh man, I was looking to where I was supposed to write you at, but it wasn't showing me. Yeah.
That's all cool. Oh man, nice to talk to you, man.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Oh, I can't complain after I just got saved out of that losing position I was just in.
Look, okay, cool, man. Look, I just want to really, it's hard to explain in the text. And
yeah.
I've been trading paper trades, but they're not that, immediate orders. It's hard to get. For some reason, there's like big discrepancy, like, I don't know, 50 ticks away. So when I really want to get in that I know it's going to bounce back from, I get delayed. But anyhow, this is what I've been doing, and I got about like 20 grand up on my paper accounts.
Okay.
It's only been a month. So what I did was open 2 different accounts, all right?
Mm-hmm.
And I put them side by side. And so whatever position you're in now that you said you didn't want to get out, like you don't have one right now, do you?
No, it closed in a profitable trade, luckily.
Okay.
So that gold trade, let's see how much I got off of that one. $30. I got $30 out of that gold trade.
So this is what I've been doing. I would set a small market order at a certain price where it's like a good medium, whether it's a buy or sell,
Right.
and watch it bounce back and forth within a TP or a loss position. And where I feel like it's going to bounce back on the other account, I'll do the exact opposite. I'll either short it or buy it,
So you hedge
and
it.
I'll collect the difference. Is that a strategy that is known, or?
That's hedging.
Oh, that's hedging. Okay, so I'll put a small order in one spring, the other spring I'll increase the order and go in the opposite direction.
Both paper trading accounts, right?
Yeah, I know it's a paper trading. It's slower, but so you think it's something I could do in a
no
prop firm?
No. I've tried it before. Now, so let's just say if you had a firm with Apex and you also had a firm with Take Profit, you can short your Take Profit and long your Apex. You can do that. And one account will win and one account will lose, of course. You can have a loser.
Right. Well, the one I'm using is just for data. I'll never close the order. I'll watch it go as low as it can and know that that's a good entry point to buy or let it go profit as much as it can, and it'll be a good entry point to short, a large amount or buy a large amount.
Right.
Is that a good strategy, or what do you recommend?
So I recommend this strategy I've been using for the past, let's say, 4 months. It's called the orb. You ever heard of the orb? The open and range breakout?
I haven't heard. Okay. At the beginning of the market. Okay.
Yeah. So that's,
yes, I heard it.
That's what this box is that I just drew. So this is a 15-minute candle time frame on gold. I also have it drawn on NASDAQ. So we go to the 15-minute, first very 15-minute candle of the night, which for me it's 5 o'clock because I'm in Central Time. So if you're in Eastern, that'll be 6 p.m. Eastern. But anyway, so you get the high with the wick, and you get the low with the wick, and you mark that off. So that's what this box is. And then you wait for either your breakout to the upside or the downside. So you see tonight, it completely obliterated the orb. It just shot completely up. It don't always do that. Sometimes it'll consolidate within it. It'll go up, down. So basically what I do is I wait for a confirmation, which would mean a 15-minute candle close completely above orb, or vice versa, completely below it. And then that's when I either take my long or my short. And
so if you would have kept in a trade till now and never took the profit, do you think it was a good time to exit when you did at the 1500, or?
Yes. So
you should have held that.
No, it depends on the specific account that I'm trading. So, and it depends on the size of the account. So typically I like 10 to 20 points and I'm done for the night. So if I would have took it from, let's just say we went up, we got this confirmation candle here, it closed completely above orb. Let's just say I got in a price of 24,758. So I'm looking for 10 to 20 points. So that would be 68 here and then 78 right here. And that would have been, that's it. That's all I want. All I need is 20 points, because for every position on the NQ, 10 points is $200. So 20 points is $400. That's That's typically what I go for on a actual account. But this one, the reason I went in with 5 full NASDAQs, you can see here, I went in with five full NQs, which got me 1,200. I had a really strong conviction that the market was going to go up. So I hopped in pretty much as soon as it opened. You can see that blue triangle is my entry for the long. And then it went up and I got out. Boom, boom, and I'm done for the night on this account. I don't need to trade this account anymore because I'm up $1,200 on it tonight.
And what What market is this? NQZ5.
This is the NASDAQ.
Oh, NASDAQ starts now.
It started at 5 p.m.
5 p.m. on a Sunday.
Yep. So the market for futures. Now you can't trade stocks on
Okay.
Sundays. You can trade the futures is open Sunday all the way to Friday, but you do have an hour close in between the nights. So come tomorrow when the market closes at 4 p.m. for the futures, I can only reopen a position at 5 p.m. So you have an hour of downtime for futures.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I can trade from now all the way to 4 p.m. tomorrow, but then when 4 p.m. hits, the market shuts down for 1 hour, and then you could pick right back up at 5 p.m.
So are you planning to trade again after this orb breakout? Would you trade on the downside or anything, or use this information later in the day?
So right now, personally, I don't need to trade any more of my accounts because I'm up on this account. I'm up 2,000 on this account on the night. Actually, I fought for that 2,000. You could see I had.
This is a prop trade. This is a prop account.
These are prop. Yeah, these prop accounts. Correct.
Does it reset? Does it reset every month?
What do you mean? Does it reset every month?
Like you have to pass an evaluation. I'm still not clear on the.
No. You just pass it one time. You just pass it one time.
Oh, okay, and then everything after that, whatever is profit, you just take the how much? What is the percentage again? 80%.
You keep 80, they keep 20.
Okay.
Yep.
And just pay the monthly fee.
Yep. Well, see, so this one right here, you have a choice to either pay monthly fees or lifetime fee. I just go ahead and pay the lifetime fee. That way, I don't have to pay any monthly fees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they give you the option to either do a lifetime activation or a bi-monthly per month fee. And it's cheap. It's only, it depends on the account size, but let's just say for this one would be like $30 a month if I was to choose the monthly subscription. But it's cheaper. It's cheap enough in the long run just to purchase the lifetime.
And then the other account you were saying, the website, Profit Trader, that's put 40% in the promo code.
Yeah, I'll show you real quick. Take profittrader.com. I'm probably already still logged in from earlier. No, I'm not. But let's see. I'm gonna log in. I already got my credentials set up here. So these are all different accounts I have. These are pro accounts. So what you do is you want to go to create a new account, and you can, this is the smallest one here, the 25, and it goes up to 150 is their biggest account. So these are, the 25Ks are really easy to pass. You just click that, you scroll down, hit next, Trading View, Tradeovate, Ninja Trader, or you can do Rhythmic. I hate Rhythmic. I can't stand Rhythmic. So Tradeovate, you can link your Tradeovate to your Trading View, of course. And then here where it says promo code, they have one pre-put in there. You don't want to do that one. You want to exit that and put in no fee 40, and then you press apply, and you see it's $90. So you're going to pay $90 with no activation fee and no monthly subscription. And then you're done. And then you go and you...
No capital needed.
Nope. They fund you the $25,000. You have to pass their eval, which you have to make $1,500. And you have a drawdown, an end-of-day drawdown for $1,500. And you can trade up to...
What does that mean, drawdown?
So if you're in a trade and you hit that 1,500, if you're in the red for 1,500, they're gonna kick you out. Then you have to repurchase another program.
Oh, okay. So you have to make sure you keep above the 1,500.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So the way I explain to anybody that I put onto this website, I say you need 5 days minimum to trade. So just make $300 a day. So you make 300, you leave it alone till tomorrow. You make 300. And that's going to give you your $1,500 at the 5th day, and then you pass it.
Oh, and what about after you pass it? Can it kick you out for if you blow it or something, or
So when you get into a funded account, at first you're gonna have the same $1,500 in drawdown, but once you get past that, let's just say hypothetically you have $8,000 in capital within the first week or two, right? You got 8 grand. Now your drawdown is $8,000.
every 5 days.
No. The 5 days is just specifically for your
Okay.
evaluation.
Just so you go. Okay.
Yep. So let's say day
Nope.
number one, you make 3 grand. So the very next day, when they do their computing and they put on their portal that you have $3,000 in profit, you can withdraw 1,500 the very next day, but you can never touch their you can't touch a $1,500
Okay.
buffer.
Okay. What about if you ever have to go to negative after you've been evaluated?
So let's say on the very first day, if you lose 1,000, you start the next day, you only have $500 left in drawdown.
Oh,
So
okay. So you're saying, yeah, it's something like a deposit.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And if you lose your drawdown, what happens then?
Then you have to repurchase another eval, or you can repurchase your funded back, but it's like $500.
Right. So don't lose your drawdown within a day's time.
Right. So the key thing, which I also tell the people that I put onto this prop firm, is even though you're in the funded stage, still only focus on making $300 per day. That way you can just keep building it and building it and building it. Because a lot of people like to shoot for home runs, right? I'm gonna make $5,000. Yeah. It sounds good in theory, but it's easier to make 300, 300,
right.
300, and you just build it up.
Yeah, it'd be more logical to make 5,000 if my funding was at 100K.
Right.
Not at 25.
Yeah, if you got the bigger account, so let's go to their $150,000 account. So now you have $4,500 in drawdown.
Okay, look at that.
But your profit target's higher because they're giving you more positions, so you can trade with 15 contracts instead of 3 contracts.
Wow, you really clarified that for me. Okay, I was really hesitant that I thought I was just going to lose my money paying monthly for a lifetime. But yeah, if I'm executing trades and I'm actually making profit, I think this is a logical way to go to actually generate revenue.
Yeah, take profit is by far the best. Did you see that on the screen?
The 40?
The take profit?
I'm looking at YouTube and Discord. All I see right now is what is this? The gold.
Oh, shoot. I gotta shoot. My bad. Hold on. Let me go back to my Discord and change because I thought you were looking at the take profit page. Hold on. My bad. Hold on.
No, I'm looking at
my bad. I was explaining it while I was let me change.
It's all good.
All right. My bad. Shit. See, it's crazy because Discord doesn't let you just go from screen to screen. You have to physically change your screen if you want somebody to look at it. All right. So now you can look at take profit.
Okay. Yeah.
Awesome. All right. So, boom. Here's the $25,000 account, which is the smallest one. You have end of day drawdown 1,500, but your target as well is 1,500 in the green, and they give you 3 positions.
You mean 3? Is that 3 trades I can make all day, or
no? That's 3
separate.
3 contracts at a time. So if you're trading NQ, you could trade 1 contract of NQ, or you can trade up to 3 contracts of NQ. Now, the higher you go, of course, the more you're either going to win or the more you're going to lose.
Right, that's right. Okay, I understand now. Yeah.
Yeah, and then, like I said,
now when we're trading contracts, is this like same thing you would do if you're placing like an option trade, or
no? So
what essentially exactly is a contract?
So 1 contract is going to be equivalent of you purchasing 1 NASDAQ, which is $24,000.
Right.
So with options, you're buying 100 shares of a specific stock, right? You're buying, if you get a fucking Tesla option, right? You technically own the 100 shares, but you don't control them. So what futures is, you're placing 1 position. Let me go back to let me go back to TraderBait. Oh, that's my take profit account. So we'll just do the take profit account. Let me close these and just open up one in queue. All right, so you see right here, one contract, two contracts, three contracts. So one is the smallest on the in queue. So if you were to trade
right now, the contract's worth 24/7.
24/7.88.
Okay.
I'm not quite sure what it wants to do right now. It looks like the volume slowed up. Yeah, the volume's kind of slow. So let's just hop in one long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna bring my stop loss up. I'm gonna bring my TP down. So this is just one position. You see how slow it goes. It's not a lot of money. I'm up 20 bucks, and the market's up what, a couple points, a point or two. So every 10 points that the market goes up, so from 89 3/4 where my entry is up to 99 3/4, that's going to be a $200 profit.
Oh, okay.
With one position. Now if you go in with two positions, it'll be double. So every 10 points the market goes up or down on two positions, it's going to be $400 profit or $400 lost.
What is that ratio based off of?
I am not 100% sure.
Okay.
Not 100%.
We just don't want to be in the red.
You just don't want to be in the red. So yeah, so I'm basically at break even right here, right? Showing $0.
But so at the smallest account, 25K, I can right now technically only use one contract.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna exit this.
Order cancelled.
Because I actually think the market's gonna do a little bit of a retracement. Now, if in the beginning, if you feel that the full size NASDAQ is too much, you can always do micro NQs, which it's this one right here, MNQZ5. Now, this is nice because you can go in one.
Order filled.
It's going to be 1/10 of a full size NASDAQ. So for every 10 points it goes up, you only get 20 bucks instead of 200. So this is a safer way to trade. First, you know,
it's safer, but
it's going to be a slower process.
I'm only allowed to use. I'm only can place one contract because I'm limited at 25, right?
So with micros being 1/10 of a full size NASDAQ, you can trade 30 micros.
30 micros, but would that allow me? Would I be allowed to do that at a 25K profit count?
Yes, because
order cancelled.
Because 30 micros is only 3 full sizes.
Oh, okay.
So if you were to trade 30 micros and then look at how you trade 3 full size, just regular NASDAQs, the dollar amount's going to be the exact same.
And you're only using 15-minute charts, or do you look at 30 minutes at all?
So when I do my analysis, I top down. So I go from a month, and then I go to the week, and then I go to the daily, and then I go to the 30-minute, and then to the 15. So I know what the market's doing overall. But when it's time for me to place my trade, I'm on a 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trading on a 1 minute.
Oh, you're placing on the 1 minute. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Your confirmation is done on the 15, but you actively trade on the 1. All right.
Right. So you can split it and do your 15-minute micro because the charts are damn near the same, and then you can do a 1 minute. You can do a 1 minute on your full size NASDAQ. That way, you get your confirmation. Plus, you can see your trades on the smaller time frame.
Have you seen any discrepancy in like the trade times or the reaction time between the prop accounts?
No, it's all live data.
Executing times are instant?
Yeah, instant.
Okay.
Instant. You can see, let's see. I'm gonna go on a 1.
So right now, at the current price, if you buy at market right now at 24.70.88, it's gonna buy exactly at 24.788.
So
it's gonna wait for.
It's probably gonna buy where the ask is. It's not gonna get the bid. So if you want to get the best price, you press buy bid.
Order working.
Okay.
It's gonna sit there for a second until the bid comes down. But if you want to buy
But
the
it's not gonna
exact,
be like-
Order cancelled.
no, it's not like TradingView. So, all right, I'm gonna buy right now.
Yeah.
Order filled.
It entered
Okay.
me at 90 and a quarter.
Okay. Yeah. TradingView. If I did it right now, it wouldn't go until it went to 28 or something.
Yeah, that's why I don't.
24,800.
That's why I don't trade with TradingView. The only thing that I do on TradingView is for my indicators.
Order cancelled.
And I'll bring that up and show you because a lot of people don't know about these two indicators on here. Let me go to my TradingView account.
On the trading. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm on TradingView right now, and for some reason I can't pull up the NQ Z5.
So on TradingView, it's not going to be NQZ5. It's just going to be NQ on futures. So when you go to
Okay.
when you go to search,
Okay.
make sure you're under futures.
Uh-huh.
I'm
Got
gonna
it.
let me change my Discord to my TradingView screen now. Hold on. Here we go. See, I don't like how I have to go back and forth and switch this shit. All right, so you go to futures and then see NQ with the blue 100.
Cool. Yep.
You're gonna launch that, and it's
So
gonna,
what's your indicator?
all right.
You got an indicator you said you like to use on this?
Yeah, I'm gonna connect it to my take profit account real quick. All right, so you can see how it gives me the blue and the red because I have it linked to my trading
Right.
not TradingView. I have
Yeah,
it linked to my TradingView.
those are orders you place. Got it.
Yeah. So the two indicators that I use for one, you can see the session highs and the session lows. Let me go to the 5 minutes so we can really compact everything. So you can see we're in Asia session now, but then you can go down and see your Friday's New York PM, they're high and a low. Friday's New York lunch, New York AM, London sessions.
Yeah, how do you get this?
So that's
What's this indicator called?
this indicator is called ICT kill zones and pivots.
Oh, okay. By Trade for Prop? Trade for op.
I'm gonna go to my end. You can see it better. Okay, here it goes. ICT kill zones hunt. And then whatever this little symbol is,
Okay.
a colon trading.
PFAT. Okay.
So that's
T-flat.
yeah, that's one of my favorite indicators, as well as S/D boring explosive, and that is a supply and demand indicator.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yep. And so for the supply and demand indicators are really great on a bigger time frame, and I'll show you why. Let's go to a 60-minute, right? All right. So the blue lines are going to be demands, and the red lines are going to be supplies.
Mm-hmm.
So once I see a demand zone get printed, right, I'm going to wait for a confirmation, which it's going to come back into it, retest. It's going to retest the demand, and then look at the price of where it is. Let's call it 24,420. And you ride.
And what size are these candles? 1 hours?
So this one's a 1 hour candle, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Look at the push up from 24.4 all the way to 24.7.
Right.
That is a big push, and,
Cool.
and vice versa. If you get a sell, right, you get supplies. Supplies are in red. We get the push down, but I'm not going to enter because we haven't got a retest into it. But look what happens. We get the retest back into the supply,
Yeah.
and it retested at 24,912, fell down 300, almost 300 points.
Now we're talking about trades that roll over into the next day, right?
So you could buy overnight and hold until the morning.
Oh.
Give me 1 second. My wife's calling me. I gotta go upstairs and see what she wants.
All right, man. Thank you.
I'll be back in about 2 minutes.
Cool.
My bad. All right. Jeez, women are a pain in the ass. I'm hungry. Well, what the fuck do you want to eat? All right. Get Eric?
All right.
Yeah. So now that we have these demands on the 1 hour, we're gonna push up, and we're probably gonna push back up into the supply zone here. So to the price of 24,915. You see that?
Yeah.
Now let's go back test that, right? Let's see if it really does that, because it oh shit, I didn't want to do that. I want to exit that. Oh, look at all these demands, jeez. Give me some supplies. All right. So we have supply. We fell.
Right.
We got the demand print here. What did it do? It came back up into the supply zone.
Tested that. Yeah.
Yep. There's always orders in supplies, and there's always orders in demands. So we have demand goes up. This is a long hold here. Now this is a course of 2 or 3 days right here, from the 13th all the way to the 15th. So that would be a long-term hold for sure. Fell.
Now, is there a point when your trade, if you had a long-term trade, it would close on itself?
If I have a limit sell, yeah.
Okay, but if you can hold the trade for a month, it'll stay within your TP and your stop loss?
Only on personal accounts. Now on prop accounts, they make it mandatory for you to close your positions before the market closes at 4 p.m. Central.
Oh, so you have 24 hours, huh?
Yes. But if you have money in a personal Tradeovate account, you can hold for months at a time.
And that's going to have to use your own capital.
Yes. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame here. So even on the 15-minute time frame, we have 2 demands print, one here. So now I'm assuming we're going to try to come back up to this true day open for Thursday, or either try to come back to these supplies up here for Thursday's London session. And that's...
And what position would you take there?
What's that? I didn't hear you. What you said, Pat?
What position would you take there at those times, if it reaches that test point?
So right now, if I was, let's do it now. I'm gonna go on one of my other accounts. So what is that price up here? 24,889. Okay, 24,889. Let me go to. I think that one timed out. We'll go to this one. 24,889. All right. Are you looking at the take profit account right here?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to do a micro. I'm going to go with 1 micro. And I already have my bracket order set up, so I'm going to buy here with 1 micro.
Order filled.
And you can see I already have a pre-stop loss and a pre-take profit already set. So I'm going to...
What is that range at, usually? The presets?
So you could change them. So if you go here, you go to your settings, you can change your take profits and your stop losses. But it doesn't matter because you can hold them and pull them.
Right, I see it.
So I'm going to put a TP up here. Let's just call it 851. And then let's say I'm willing to lose $300 on this trade. So I'm going to bring this down. 50 points would be $100 lost because it's a micro. So let's just say I'm willing to lose $100. So I'm going to go here. So if it comes back down and hits my stop loss, that'll be about $100 loss. But it's cool when you have a bracket order set. When it closes, if it stops me out, this one's going to go away automatically, and vice versa. If it goes to my take profit, my stop loss is going to be automatically closed.
That's right. Go back to your settings. Okay.
Yep. But I think that's where it's going. Is back up to that higher number. Yep. So
This is NASDAQ. What happened to the gold? You gave up on gold for the day, or?
yeah, I'm up on gold. Me and gold have a fickle relationship. If I'm winning on gold, I need to leave it alone because I'm pretty much going to give it all back if I keep messing with it. And the same with if I'm losing in gold, I just know not to touch it no more. Just leave it alone for the rest of the night.
Okay. So, using your other indicators, you're thinking to get into NASDAQ later today or in the morning?
Yeah. If you right now, I would get into a long position on NQ. And why? Yeah, get long on Nasdaq, and it's probably going to go higher than 851. I think it's going to come up to maybe 900s because the price.
I mean, we almost touched 25, didn't we?
No, we slammed through 25 last week.
Yeah, that's
We
right.
didn't slam through it, but it went to 25,029.
Consolidated the crap out of it and just slammed down. That would have been a nice short.
Yeah, and I called 24.9 on the dot from a Fibonacci level I had drawn last 2 weeks ago. I called 24.9 2 weeks ago, and it did it. Yes, it did it last week. I do a little bit of Fibonacci retracements, not really that much, just because the orb does really well. So for me, it's like, why try to mess with something else if something works? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So I'm already up.
And so we already opened up. What time? When did the NASDAQ open up again? 5?
It opened up at 5 Central. Yes.
Yeah, 5 Central. So that'd have been 6 p.m. for me. Okay, so
yeah, you're on the East Coast.
What's the next open at 4?
So NQ is going to roll all night and tomorrow, and then it's going to close at 4 p.m. tomorrow. So 5 p.m. your time, it'll close, and then reopen at 6 p.m. your time.
6 p.m. we use get the next orb.
Yep. Now, some people do the orbs on each session. Like they'll draw orb on the New York session, or they'll draw orb on the London session. But I just keep the orb open on the whole complete market. So here's the market open here, 5. Let's say it runs up tonight into London. If London brings it lower, it may use orb as a trampoline and bounce right back off of orb. I've seen it happen plenty of times. Because now it's set, and it's gonna be a support when it hits it the very first time, so you can get like a 5-10 point scalp. But then it could break it and then use it as a resistance, of course, and then fall down, use lower orb as a support. I've seen that where it's done this, crashed all the way through it, hit the bottom orb, and then rebounced and went all the way back up.
Right.
It's crazy. That's why, like, I get my 10-20 point scalps and I'm done. Unless I'm going to hold a position overnight, it's going to be a micro. That way I don't lose a lot.
Now, when you say you're done, what's your time frame on getting back in? You're waiting to the next session?
Tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Okay. And have you seen the orb work on the other time frames, other sessions like Asia and London?
I've never drawn them on those.
Okay.
For London, I'm sleeping during London session unless my daughter has me awake. I'll come peek at it. But typically, I'm sleeping at 1. So London opens at 1 a.m. my time, so 2 a.m. your time.
Oh, so Josh, is this the only thing you do?
What's that?
For like income?
Yes.
Do you have your own personal work or hobbies?
No. I do have a business, but I don't technically do anything with it no more. I do work here and there. I'm a mobile mechanic. I've been in the industry for a while.
Me too, man. That's crazy. Me too.
Yeah, stop it. Come on.
Yeah. So I live down in Florida Keys, so I'm mainly a marine mechanic. But yeah, I got a carport, so whoever bring their vehicle through here, I'll take care of them.
That's cool. Yeah, I'm master certified for Honda. I'm certified at Mercedes. I'm not master certified at Mercedes, but I am certified in different sections. I got about
10 years in the business, and then I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna do my own thing. So I got a trailer, you know, got plenty of fucking tools, and so
Yeah, same here.
got my LLC, started to do things, and I'm tired of it, man. I'm 38 fucking years old. I don't feel like turning wrenches no more. So I've been full time day trading for two years now.
Awesome, dude. How do you deal with the tax on the tax was?
So what I
Tax side of
do,
things.
everything I earn, I save 50% of it. So let's say Monday I take 600 out. So I'm gonna put 300 in a savings, and then the other 300 comes to me. I just do that on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes I only take out once a week. So if I take out, I don't know, 10 grand, I'll put 5 in a savings, and I'll keep 5. And then at the
Good
end,
plan. Now, do you move it to an account that doesn't tax you, like an IRA or something like that, or
no, it's strictly just my Capital One savings account.
you put it to a regular savings account that barely gives you any yield?
Yeah. I thought about putting it into one of my crypto accounts, but I'm always afraid of what if that was to go down, and then I'm not covered. I don't have my full amount of taxes. Roughly, you're looking at, well, your state's different than my state, but I'm looking at about
Right.
36 to 40% tax. So I only do 50% because whatever else I don't pay, that's just an extra bonus at the end of the year.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not going to
Well,
pay
maybe,
the full
you know,
50%. You're going to pay less than
If
that.
you don't have an IRA or a 401k going, you might want to consider trading within those accounts, because whatever you can multiply in there is tax free.
Yeah, no, I have an IRA. Well, I had a Roth.
All right.
But of course you can't get those. No, I had a regular IRA when I was at work, but I have a Roth IRA.
Okay.
And then I have my regular portfolio that I just buy and hold different stocks. Mainly
All right.
mainly I deal with ETFs. I do have
Okay.
Tesla, all the blue collar stocks I hold, but I don't pay taxes on that because I don't touch it.
Right. Exactly. And
I don't touch
I
it.
mean, you can only input so much a year. You're limited how much.
Yeah, you're limited to what is it? What 4,500? I can't remember what it is.
Right.
But you
I
can
know
you
IRAs
can keep
mine.
opening up. You can keep opening up new and new. Like you don't need just one. You can max that one out, then open up a new one and max that one out. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So NQ's pushing higher. What's gold doing? Gold's kind of I'm not fucking with gold no more.
So what's your next market? So what are you actively looking at right now, would you say? You're gonna mess with NQ for the rest of the day, or
No, I'm done for the night.
you're
I'm
done?
done.
And,
I'll leave this one micro open all night, and if it hits my stop
Okay.
loss, then screw it. It's only $100
Oh, yeah.
I lost.
Uh-huh.
But other than that, that's it for me tonight. I can always paper
So
trade
what you-
if I want to, but
Okay, yeah, that was my next question. What would be your recommendation for a good futures paper trading account?
so when you open up your own Tradeovate brokerage, they give you
Trading.
$50,000 paper trading account.
And is that one accurate? Like
Yeah,
executing wise?
it's live
Okay.
market data. Yep.
And how many accounts can you open up in Tradeovate? Would you know?
I'm not sure. You can have quite a few. You can have quite a few because you can copy trade. You can copy trade accounts on Tradeovate for free.
Within Tradeovate, you have
Within-
multiple accounts in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like these two accounts here, I could manage a group and I could add, I don't know, just put 2 saved, and then I could bring these over
Trade
here.
the way to go.
Yep. You copy trade for free. These are saved. So now, if I go to NQ, since I'm trading 2 accounts, you have to put 2 here, and it's going to trade 1 position per account. Let's see, where are my accounts? Here we go. So these are my 2 Apex accounts. So I'll click buy 2.
Order filled.
Oh shit! Hold on. You have to go in there and
Order
actually.
cancelled.
You have to go click 2. Okay. Oh, I gotta take my ATM brackets off. So that's another fucked up thing. You can't bracket trade while copy trading. That's what sucks.
Order filled.
So now I'm in with two. I'm in with a position on each account, and it's going to do the exact same thing.
Across different platforms or just within?
Just within TraderBait. Now there's softwares out there that allow you to, but you gotta pay for that, and I've heard they have glitches.
Yeah, you don't want that.
So you don't want that. But if you're copy trading 20 accounts on TraderBait, they're not going to glitch.
Order filled.
See, I exit market, they both closed. Boom. That's it.
Man, appreciate all the knowledge you dropped on me, man. I'm gonna look back on this and take all these notes, and hopefully I can practice my hedging technique until I can get the signals down and see if this actually works.
Yes,
Maybe I
yes.
could, be on your level, man.
Those two indicators on TradingView, which they're up now. You could use it on the 1 minute. I'm not a fan of the 1 minute when it comes to supply and demand, just because you could have some fake outs. But
Right.
so you can see we have the supply print here. Now we have a demand. So hypothetically, we should come back up into this supply zone here at the price of 803, if not higher, and start pushing the high of the day, or the high of the night.
What is your prediction? Maybe by the end of the year, where do you think he's gonna be at?
I don't know, due to the fact of all this bullshit with fucking Israel and fucking Ukraine. It's hard to say, but I did have a prediction, and I threw it away earlier today. I had it written on a piece of paper, but my prediction was 26,700.
26.7.
26.7, and I got that because I'll show you how I got that number. We're gonna go to the 1 week time frame here. Scroll out. Blah 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 blah. And then I believe, I can't remember where I did the Fibonacci retracement from. I think it was from this top to this top. I'm not sure. It might have been that. Let's see. Alright, so let's take this and bring it all the way here. Alright. I lied. 26.1 was my projection.
26.
26.1. So if you look on the week, right? So we got the weekly candle up. Look at the demand. It printed.
Yeah.
We have 1, 2, 3 pushbacks into the demand. Now we're pushing up.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm sure if we don't have World War III, we're gonna come up to 26,100.
My goodness.
Because
At
economic.
what price did you start? At what price did you start at in Q when you started day trading full time?
Those covers clean.
You remember how long ago that was?
Is it still going? Yeah.
Yes, done.
This was, fuck, how many years ago? Yeah, there should be clean. 5 years ago? 5 years? What year are we in? 2025.
25.
So 2020? Let's go see. 2020. It was like 17, 18, somewhere around there.
Okay, so you saying, man.
Yeah, so back
Could've
here.
been one nice look.
Yeah, 11.
That would have been a pretty nice long foot if you just stayed in that. You probably made
Yeah.
more money than that one.
Yep.
One long foot, you've been okay.
If we would have only known. Which,
Yeah.
I mean, in all actuality, the market's always going to go up. So it doesn't.
Right.
If you were to buy the ETF QQQ, which is basically this, but it's just the stock version, you would be doing the same thing. You'd just be holding it for forever, right?
Right.
You would be holding it. I mean,
But
let's
that multiplying ratio that you get on these contracts.
on the futures, yeah,
contract,
yeah, exactly.
it'd be exponential. if you had it at 5K or whatever it is.
Yeah. So the thing with futures, these contracts, they end every 4 months. So you're gonna have to
Okay.
close out the position and roll it over into the new contract.
Okay.
Yeah. So they don't. You can't just hold it forever.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Which is, it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Let's go back to trade.
Oh, man, that's a lot of insight. Appreciate your time.
Yeah, no big deal. Yeah, so like right now, we just went to NQZ5. Before it was NQU5. So every 4 months, it's this contract's gonna go to NQ. I don't know, A6. I don't know what it's gonna be. Let's see. Let's bring up another chart and see what the other N. So we have NQ. So Z5, we have NQH6. So that's probably the next one that's gonna happen. H6 is going to be, so that's going to be in 4 more months, and then M6 after that, and then U6. Yep, because we were at U5, so the next contract is going to be H6. Yep.
Interesting.
But you don't got to worry about that till months ahead.
That's a 4-month interview, or is that just every month? You change the symbol.
Every 4 months. Let's see. Let me Google to get you the exact date. How long does a future contract have until expiration? Let's see what Google has to say. A futures contract has an expiration date, which is the last day you can trade. We know that's stupid. How long is it? Blah 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 blah. Dates can vary based on asset class and exchange. All right, so we don't have a clear-cut answer,
Yeah.
but it's about every 4 months.
Got it.
It's about every 4 months.
So do you do any speculative trading? Do you hear something in the news or anything, or
So
based on gold, or?
I'll trade red folder news events, which is FOMC, CPI, auto sales, stuff like that. But you have to be on the right side of the stick. If not, you're gonna get crushed. Because you'll have a stupid candle. I mean, a retarded. I'm talking about 400-point candle.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
Yeah. So if you're in with a full size and you're not in at the right point, you're gonna get crushed.
Right.
But
That's why I feel comfortable with the hedging strategy, because I'm not too certain on reading too much news and executing the trade
yeah,
in time. I'll let a micro sit and place a bet on a full size contract, you know?
yeah. Whenever you're ready, just let me know, and I'll keep you updated on when we do have red folder events. You can go to marketwatch.com, and they'll give you economic dates. The big ones to look out for is CPI, FOMC. Let's see, let me bring it up on here. Economic calendar. Market Watch. Let me change this to that screen here. Go to Market Watch. I'll share this with you. Alright, so this is this week. Right? Today's the 28th, tomorrow's the 29th. So we're not going to have any volatility here, none here. Pending homes, we don't really get nothing. Nothing here. Even though this is all news, these aren't red folder events. Consumer confidence, we might get a little push. 10 a.m. your time on Tuesday. We won't get anything.
This is all reflecting on the NQ.
On every market, gold, S&P, the Russell, you name it.
We just don't know who's going to multiply the most.
Right. So yeah, we're about done for this. We don't really have too much going on this week. Last week.
Would you see a correlation between gold and the futures markets?
Yeah.
See gold go up and the Nasdaq goes down, or what could you say on that?
So last week when we had FOMC on Wednesday, they both went in the same direction.
Oh.
Yeah. because Jerome Powell said he was cutting interest rates, and they're going to cut 2 more times by the end of the year. So when you cut interest rates, that means free money for the fucking market makers, right? So it means everything's going to go up.
But at what percentage?
What was it? I think 0.25% or less than 1/4. So it isn't much, but it's still a better price for the hedge funds to gain money.
Unless that's what they wanted to think.
Yeah. But we're up. The NQ's still up. I mean, I don't know. Anything can happen. But look, Trump could tweet something at lunchtime on Monday, and then you not expecting anything, boom, it could either go up a lot or down a lot.
Do you have any time off of this? Are you always 24/7 all year round? You take vacation?
No, we don't really do vacations too much. We do, but we don't. My wife works a lot.
Oh, okay.
My wife works a lot. She actually took off tonight. She had to work, but she called in. Like, whatever. Do what you want. She works at the hospital. She works at 3 hospitals, actually.
Right. You guys, you know.
Let's see.
So what's your favorite motor for Mercedes?
I
What do you recommend?
hate
Someone
Mercedes.
something.
I hate Mercedes.
You hate them? You don't like none of the motors?
Do not.
Oh, come
They're-
on.
I'm Honda all day, bro. I went to Mercedes because the
okay.
money was great.
So what's your current Honda then?
So right now, since I'm an old man with 4 kids, I only have a Honda Pilot.
Okay.
But when I was cool, right? When I did have cool things, I had
Uh-huh.
3 CRXs, a Del Sol,
Oh.
an EK hatch. Most of them
That's nice.
had B18 C5s.
You went from the lightest vehicle to the most heaviest Honda. You know that, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That Pilot must be worst thing on gas. I worked on a few of those things.
Believe it or not, it's really good on mileage.
Okay. Well, it all depends on the RPM it gets, right? You don't take it up that high.
No, I get on the interstate and I put my little cruise control on.
Okay. Well, I guess you're definitely safe in that tank.
Oh yeah.
At least you know.
Yeah, I used to race. I used to fucking be a gearhead. I road tune my own stuff. Don't ever send my shit to shops. I've always worked on my own cars.
Now they got AI, but they can't tune for nothing.
No, well not yet.
As far as my music.
Not yet. Give it 10 more years.
Yeah.
Give it 10 more years. I mean, AI's fairly new when it comes to that sector, you know, tuning cars and stuff like that, you know. But yeah, I road tune my own stuff. They're like, why don't you dyno tune? I'm like, for one, I'm not paying for dyno time.
That's the big discrepancy you have. You can dyno tune all you want, but when it gets down to the day-to-day, the temperature swings and the gear that you're staying in, nothing's consistent.
Especially in the state that I live in with all my humidity. I mean, y'all have humidity down there too as well.
Yeah, definitely.
But humidity is out of. I mean, today the temperature was only 90, but it felt like the feel like I think was like 98.
Oh man, yeah, I've been hearing. I also bartend in a resort, and I'm hearing people up north. They're at 50 degrees already. Winter's not even here, and then everybody else in the west, Midwest, they're like you're saying, it feels like 110, 90, and we're down here in the Florida Keys chilling.
Yeah,
not that bad.
That's crazy. What up, Mav?
Well, man, I got the dog staring at me. He wants to go walking.
All right, my friend.
And I'll catch the rest of your video. Thanks for sharing. I hope it gets some use out of anyone else that watches it too.
Yep. Like I said, normally I'm streaming on my computer, but my streaming software is not liking it tonight for some reason. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm about to clean my computer out, I guess.
Well, come on, you can afford it by new one.
Yeah. Well, I have a new one, but it's upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the one I do like. I do editing and on, and I play games on it and shit. So I don't want to mix my,
All right,
my
fine.
game and shit up. So
We're gonna catch you on the game. You can stream that too, man.
yeah, streaming some PUBG. Yep.
Ah, PUBG.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
All right, Drew, let's go. All right, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it so much. Hopefully, I can send you an update.
All right, Rick. Awesome.
Take care, bro.
All right, buddy. Have a good night.
See you. Bye.
Later. Oh, Mav. I'm done trading for tonight. I didn't smack gold in the face a couple times. I'm not giving it back. Last week I gave it back. I'm not giving it back this week. Let's see. What was my gold? Gold. Let's see how much I earned on gold tonight. All right. I got a $700 gold play. I got a $340 gold play. I got a $390 gold play. I got an $870 gold play. Wow. Most of my earnings tonight was for gold, not even on NQ. I am in with one micro on NASDAQ. I'm gonna hold overnight. My entry is 24,783 3/4, and I do have an exit take profit up here at 24,843. So I am up currently $16 on micros, but I have a stop loss down here at 757. So that's a little bit less than $100 if it does come down here. But I think we're coming up. I think we're going to come up higher than, we might go to 900 by tomorrow. My bad. I pressed something on my YouTube and it went up and it closed YouTube. Anyway, I think we're coming up to 24,900 by tomorrow. Maybe tonight for London, or maybe after London, or pre-market for NASDAQ. But I think we're coming back up to 24.9. So I'm going to stay in with one micro overnight. Yep. You did any good tonight, Mav? Did you trade anything? Oh. Well, I'm done for the night. I'm not trading no more. I'm up on my take profit accounts, and I'm up on my Apex funded account and my Apex eval. So I'm good to go. Well, it's 9 o'clock, guys. I'm going to get some rest because I'm still in my fast. So I got 3 more hours of my first day fast. And so at midnight, it'll be 24 hours even. And then I got 2 more days to go. I'm not even hungry, though, so I'm not even really worried about it. I'm going to drink me another Mountain Valley before I go to sleep with a little bit of Celtic sea salt, and I'll be good to go. me make sure all my positions are closed on each of these accounts. That's it. Turn my computer off. Yep. Turn my mouse off. All right. Boop. Hold on. My bad. All right, y'all. I'm going to sleep. Hopefully, I can get my computer live stream working tomorrow. That way, I can be live streaming on my computer, guys. But I'm going to sleep, get some beauty rest. As you can see, I need beauty rest, and I'll be back at it tomorrow, guys. Thank you for stopping in. Y'all have a great night. Peace.